kitchen. Well, dining room. We don't have a dining room table. We're not so great, and we eat in front of the TV. Anyway, so I am impatient. Actually, it's Sunday, and I just am so tired of my hair, so I straightened it, and I'm gonna cut it. So, Brian Mondo, please don't hate me. I am going to see my hair lady soon. I'm gonna make the appointment, but it's hot. It's like 100 degrees, and I'm burning up. So this, let me try to turn around here. This is how long my hair is. It's between my shoulder blades anyway. So yeah, I'm gonna cut it if my husband can find some scissors, because I don't know what happened to the ones that we used last time when he cut my hair, which that was fun. So I'm gonna put it in a ponytail, like little pigtails. I know that this isn't the best way to do it, and I 10 out of 10 do not recommend cutting your hair at home. Like, I'm just doing it because I'm bored. So I kind of want to cut, this is gonna hurt my feelings because this is like my favorite color of the blonde, but I'm probably gonna cut at least this much off. That doesn't seem like a lot, but I'm a big chicken baby. So yeah, it's like, oh here, I'm cutting my hair, but it's like, are you really cutting your hair? All right, let me get that tied. And I'll probably, now the trick here is gonna be getting them to be even. And see, this back part's just not gonna be even. I've done this before a few years ago because at the time I did not have any money to go get it cut. And when I went to get it cut, the lady was like, "Who cut your hair last time?" And I was like, "Oh, I did." And she's like, "You did?" And I was like, "Yeah." And she's like, "You did pretty good for doing it by yourself." I was like, "Thank you." All right. I also didn't know what to film for Wednesday, so here we have it. I wanted to do something fun. Let's see if this is even. Got a little mustache. Even enough, I guess. I really just don't care. Like, it's so bad that I'm just like, yeah, it's here. It'll grow back. I mean, it's fun. My shirt is a mood. Emotionally exhausted. Anybody else? I was so ready to do this yesterday. And today I'm just like, it's just hair. It will grow back.
It will grow back. If you did a great job or a bad job, it will grow back.
So my hair grows funny in the sense of, for some reason, my right side is a lot thicker than my left side. And I don't understand, but it just is that way. So I'm trying to figure out how I'm gonna do this without it being super uneven in the amount of thickness. This is gonna be a train wreck, of course. Welcome aboard the Hot Mess Express. I am your conductor, and we're making poor decisions tonight, so buckle up. Okay, I've got different scissors now, and I feel like this is gonna be how this is gonna be. Moment of truth. No going back now. Alright. It's a little uneven in the ponytail, but I'm gonna trim it. My husband's being my helper.
Not a very good one.
You're doing your best.
That's all we can do.
I'm shaking, I'm nervous. I'm like, oh, I'm gonna mess it up. But like I said, it's just hair and it will grow back. It's short. It's a little uneven, but I'll get my lady to fix it for me. Oh my gosh. If y'all are watching this that do my hair, I'm sorry, but I'm also kind of not. I feel like you might get a good laugh out of this because I'm a total idiot. You just see what I'm doing. See, it's hard to cut with my left hand. I am left-handed, but I don't cut left-handed. I use scissors in my right hand. Alright, moment of truth, everybody. Yeah, Brad Mondo's not gonna be happy about this species. Sorry, Brad. It's too thick. I was like, yeah, this is going a lot easier. This section here, and it's like, no, it's gonna take the longest. Oh, I have a mess. Alright, let's see how uneven I've made this. It's not any worse than when my husband did it. It's a lot shorter than I planned, and it's longer right here, so we're gonna give that a nice little trim. A trim. Alright, time for him to make it even. If my camera cuts off, I'll see you in a minute. Well, I feel about 10 pounds lighter. I feel like I cut off a lot, and thankfully Trevor helped me get it more even. Now I'm so excited because it's gonna actually have more volume. It gets so weighed down when it gets to a certain length that it doesn't want to do anything. And I just really, like, I'm gonna go probably wash it this evening, so you'll probably see some long hair me videos for a minute if this goes up before, but this is gonna be fun. I know I hated it when it was this short last time that I had it like that, because it's like impossible to pull up in a ponytail. Because look, there's no pulling it up in a ponytail like I would like to, but I mean kind of, but let's see, turn around. Kind of, sort of, but I can just braid it and call it a day. But I'm gonna be able to do so much more with it without having to use heat. I don't like using heat on my hair, and I feel like I kind of have to when it's a certain length, like when it starts to get really long, and it's like almost impossible for it to curl on its own. So I'm super excited to actually feel like this is manageable. Alright, thank you so much for watching, and if you want to see more of the Hot Mess Express, hit the subscribe button, because I post makeup tutorials and kind of, you know, eventually once a year I go out and cut my own hair and upload it for everyone to laugh at me, because, you know, it's gonna grow back, it's fun to do. And anyway, I just was like, I'm bored, let's cut my hair. Okay, I want to thank you so much for watching, and I'll have all my social medias down below if you are interested in keeping up with my awkward face and shenanigans while I'm not here on YouTube. And again, thank you so much for watching. I hope that I'll see you in the next one. Bye!